So just to finish off the chapter 8 material that we didn't get to in the last class, let's go over conversions of volume. So just like when we had our two-dimensional areas that we had to convert by squaring everything, when we have three-dimensional volumes that we need to convert, we need to cube everything. So a cubic unit needs to be cubed in dimensional analysis. So some unit conversions that we can add to the list that we were already making in the last class. We have 1 pint, which we abbreviate PT, is 16 fluid ounces. We abbreviate that either OZ, or if we want to be specific between weight ounces and fluid ounces, we would say FLOZ. But if it's clear that what you're talking about is volume, you can just use the ounce notation. 1 quart, abbreviated QT, is 2 pints. 1 gallon, abbreviated GAL, is 4 quarts. 1 cubic foot, so that means you're going to have to cube it in the notation, is approximately 7.48 gallons. One cubic yard is approximately 202 gallons. 1 gallon is approximately 231 cubic inches. And this one's going to be a little bit like the acres, where this is given to you in cubic inches. But if you want to remember to cube, like I usually prefer, you want to do 6.14 cubed inches cubed. We have 1 centimeter cubed equals 1 milliliter. And that one's like a really important one. We use this to convert between length and volume all the time. And 1 liter is approximately 1.06 quarts. Let's do an example. A hot tub has a volume of 300 gallons. How many cubic meters of water will you need to fill it? So we're going to start with the 300 gallons. Do dimensional analysis to convert it into cubic meters. So we're going to first convert the gallons into cubic inches using this measurement. And we don't need to cube it unless we're using the cubed So like the important part of cubing it is when both of them are cubed, but a lot of the time they will give you your units like this. So we can just use 231 inches cubed in 1 gallon, just like that. But if you wanted to go the other way and make sure that you cube that, you want to use this unit here. And then we're going to turn our cubic inches into cubic centimeters. And our inches to centimeters conversion, 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch, is not a cubic unit conversion. So we do need to make sure that we cube both of these. And then we're going to turn the cubic centimeters into cubic meters. We know there are 100 centimeters in a meter. Again, those are linear, not cubic conversions. So we do need to make sure we cube both of those. And when you multiply those all together, you should get 1.14 cubic meters.